Okay, this is going to be a walkthrough of how to look at a bank statement and then prepare a reconciliation. So if we look at what they give us above, they tell us that this company on May 31st, 2022, the cash account per the general ledger shows $6,738.90. The bank statement shows the balance is $6,968. A comparison of the details of the bank statement show us the following. So the statement included a debit memo of $40 for printing of additional company checks. So then that's going to be an adjustment to our balance per the books. So our balance per the book says it's $6,738.90, but we didn't realize that we got charged for this check printing. So then we're going to subtract that bank charge of $40. Okay, then it says cash sales of $883.15 on May 12th were deposited in the bank. The cash receipts entry in the deposit slip were incorrectly made for $933.50. The bank credited the company for the correct amount. So then we correctly deposited $883.15, so it would be correct on the bank's account. But in our ledger, we made the mistake of $50 difference, right? $933.15 compared to $883.15. So then less accounts receivable error or deposit error. To our balance per the books. Okay, then number 3, outstanding checks at May 31st totaled $276.25, and deposits in transit were $1,880.15. So then now that is going to be an adjustment to the balance per the bank. So the bank shows $6,968 and no cents, but then we are going to say we know about checks outstanding, so we're going to subtract those, and that is $276.25, and then we're going to add deposits in transit. So we also know that we received some cash that the bank hasn't received yet. Let me move these out a little bit. Those will add. Okay, that's $1,880.15. Okay, on May 18th, the company issued check 1181 for $685 to H. Moses. The check was cleared by the bank and incorrectly journalized and posted by the Timmons Company for $658. So $685 was what the check was written for. $658 is what they recorded. So there was a transposition error there. So then that is going to, so they recorded less than what it really was. Whoops. That is going to be less $27. $2,690 was collected from a customer's note receivable by the bank for the Timmons Company on May 31st through electronic funds transfer. So then I assume it doesn't say anything, but we must not have known about that. So it was through electronic funds transfer. We didn't get notified. It was on the last day of the month. So then we would have to add that to our book balance because we did not record it. That is $2,690. Okay, then number 6, included with the canceled checks was a check issued by Tom and Company to C. Pernod for $360 that was incorrectly charged to the Tim Company by the bank. Okay, so it was a different company. So there was a check issued by another company that incorrectly got charged to their account. So in that case, we have to adjust the bank balance. So they have to add that back. So they subtracted it, and again, we got to add it back. And what was that total? $360. Okay. Then on May 31st, the bank statement showed an Nsf charge for a $380 check that was issued by our customer on account. So then we didn't realize it bounced, and we would have gave that lady credit, and we would have added it as money coming in. So then now we have to subtract it. That is for $380. Now then we can total or have our adjusted balance, and then it should tie to the bank's adjusted balance. So let's see if it does. That gives me $9,691.90. Let's come over here and see what this adjusted balance is. $8,931.90. So my difference is $760. Did I miss a item in the listing here? Oh, maybe it's the other direction. Oh, yes, it is. Sorry, here. What I did over here, I needed to subtract that. I wrote less, but I didn't. When I did the math of it, I added it. Add those up again. And that gives me $8,931.90. So ultimately the goal is you want the adjusted balance per the books to equal the adjusted balance per the bank. And so initially then when I had that where I didn't subtract it, I saw, oh, look, I'm off. How I determined it is that it was $760. So first I looked to see, well, okay, is there $760 anywhere in the problem? There wasn't. So then I divided it by 2, because that if I added instead of subtracted, I would be off twice the amount. So then that's where I saw that, okay, I did do that. So again, just to give you some tricks on, when you're looking for that difference, like how do you figure out what it is? Okay, so that is how to reconcile a cash account to the bank statement.